A trimmer and groomer kit is one of the most essential tools for men. Grooming has been one of the usual routines of men, hence the need. A grooming kit saves men from bi-weekly to monthly haircut spending. In a way, they'll be able to style their beards and hair depending on their preference, in the comfort of their own home. Most trimmers today are portable and work with various power voltages, which makes it flexible. So stay tuned as we bring you the top 5 trimmers and groomers fit for you. Whether you need the best of the best or the most affordable option, we'll relay all the best items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our video, then you can check the links in the description below. Our first item is the Remington All-in-One Grooming Kit. It's composed of 16 settings and a complete versatile grooming kit that will cater to all your grooming needs. The kit consists of a full-size trimmer, ear, nose, and detail trimmer, foil shaver, 5 beard and stubble combs, and a hair clipper comb bearing 8 length settings. The set is enclosed in a travel pouch for storage. Every style option included in the kit is intended for total body grooming. Clean your sideburns, facial hair, and neck with the full-size trimmer. Complete the procedure by using the comb. However, you can opt to not use the comb anyway. The detail shaver is for thorough cleaning of facial hair, neck, and jawline. Trim it with the style you want. This is perfect for close shaving. With the smaller details, use the nose and ear hair trimmer to remove the unwanted eyebrow, nose, and ear hairs. The 5 beard snap-on combs are for thorough cleaning and styling of your beard to your desire. The combs are in 1.5 to 12 millimeter lengths. Not satisfied with the barber's haircut, or no time to pay a visit to the barber shop? Then make a touch-up on your haircut with the adjustable 8-length haircut comb. You can also use it to trim your beard. Experience the best potential of every styling set with the rechargeable battery, which runs for 60 minutes cordless runtime. The high-grade surgical steel and self-sharpening blades stay sharp and crafted for long-term use. All attachments are washable, and you can simply rinse them through the faucet water. Next, we have the Braun Wet and Dry Multi-Groomer MG5090 Shave, Trim and Style. This trimmer and groomer is the reliable set to keep a clean shave and achieve the perfect goatee. It's a 3-in-1 system that will allow you to do shaving, styling, and trimming all in one product. To experience this item's best potential, it's created with 3 flexible attachments for precise styling and long-lasting sharp blades. The shave is equipped with smart foil to deliver clean and smooth shaving after making just a few strokes. Experience more convenient styling with the twistable trimmer. The narrow side is for precise styling, while the wide side is for trimming. Trim your facial hair with the adjustable click and lock comb, and choose from the 4 length options, such as 1.2 millimeters, 2.8 millimeters, 4.4 millimeters, and 6 millimeters. This grooming kit is 100% waterproof. You can use it right after you take a shower without the fear that it may get damaged from water. Charge the batteries and obtain full charge in an hour, and it serves you a full 30 minutes of trimming. If you're in a hurry, a quick 5-minute charging will do for a quick trimming and styling. The charging LED light is conveniently reliable to know the charging status. It's adaptable to any power voltage, making it fit for traveling. It can cater from 100 volts to 240 volts. Braun is an ideal tool that will fit any grooming routine. Engaging, isn't it? Keep watching because we still have more to come. Before proceeding, just let me take this opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of our next videos. Now let's continue. Our third product is the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series 3000. This all-in-one trimmer features its self-sharpened tempered steel blades, which are amazingly unbreakable and do not rust. The non-corrosive material content of this trimmer is what makes it safe to rinse with water. This trimmer is engineered with lithium battery, impact-resistant cutting guards, and steel-reinforced drivetrain. It carries 13 attachments that are flexible and convenient enough to cater to all your grooming needs. The 3 cutting guards have various lengths, such as 9mm, 13mm, and 16mm. Choose among the 3 for a quick hair touch-up. The trimming guard is uniquely designed with 3 cutting guards to bring you a precise result. It also intends to prevent buckling and bending during trimming, making you look more professional. It's reinforced with a fiberglass material for an even trim. The kit includes a full metal trimmer blade, 3 hair trimming guards, 3 beard trimming guards, and a full metal detailer blade, a nose and ear trimmer, a stubble guard, and a clean brush. The kit is enclosed in a small storage pouch for safety purposes. The full-size trimmer is equipped with sharp blades that can cut off even the thickest hair. The detailer is the perfect tool for the styled beard, giving you a clean and precise cut. The lithium-ion battery works for 60 minutes runtime. We want to know what you think, so please don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. Now let's head on to the last 2 products. Our 4th product is Andy's Men's Versa Trim, cord and cordless personal trimmer kit. This rechargeable trimmer kit is perfect for trimming mustaches and beards. To achieve your desired length, it is designed with 6 comb attachments for versatility. The kit includes a total of 14-piece tools, such as a trimmer, charger, case, 6 attachment combs, blade brush, barber comb, beard and mustache combs, blade guard, and oil. The Versa Trim works to trim even long beard styles. The grooming tool carries an ergonomic design with soft-gripped housing so that the user can firmly grip on it while in use. Its design is intended to prevent bending and buckling, which can cause damage. It's engineered with a dual voltage charger so that you can use it at any power voltage available in your place. Just switch which voltage you are going to set it in before you start. To ensure the longevity of this trimmer, the secret lies in the blade oil. Oiling it before use will make it a long-time buddy you will definitely appreciate. The combs are numbered as a guide and make you familiarized with the hair length. The cordless design provides convenience and efficiency to the user. You may roam around the room without worrying about any power cord being pulled off. One issue that existing users are more concerned about is battery life. It doesn't stay charged for long, hence the need to keep charging it. Lastly, we have the Wahl Eagle Pro trimmer. This grooming tool assures bump-free shave, all thanks to its zero overlap precision ground T-blade. Bring it anywhere you go for its compact size. Experience clean, sharp edges and neat lines with this trimmer. It carries a powerful motor that will deliver high cutting power so you can achieve your desired style. The kit includes 12 various blade guards to help you maintain the length you prefer. It's also intended for precise and clean grooming and haircutting. It boasts its stainless steel detachable blades which stay sharpened for a long period of time. The kit includes clipper blade, a set of 12 blade guards, a corded unit, barber comb, beard brush, cleaning brush, blade oil, scissors, styling guide, manual instructions, and a small travel pouch for easy storage. This item weighs 1.13 pounds. There are some claims from other users that they experience hair pulling during use. To avoid pulling of hair, make it a point that you oiled it before using it. Since it's a corded unit, you need to keep still in one place while using it. In terms of the motor, it produces a little noise during use, but all in all, it works great at an affordable price. So there you have it, the top 5 trimmers and groomers for you. Whichever you opt to get based on your standards, we hope that you find in our list the most convenient and portable trimmer and groomer for you. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you'd like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. Stay updated with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon. Also, if you want to be part of our growing community, click the bell icon. By doing so, you also get the chance to more of our videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.